Good day to all. This is Dr. Neela. Hope all are doing good. Yeah. We are in tier 4 lockdown at present in London. I would like to say what is the real status here. I know uh, everyone are panicking and making calls that are you safe. Even when I was doing the COVID duty, none of my family members were this much panicked. I hope all because of the continuous coverage by media. But it's okay. But I want to say what is the real status here and how we all are here. Are we all panicked? I guess so, no. Because none of us are panicked. I could not see anyone getting panicked. Only thing here is there is some endemic fatigue. Endemic fatigue is a condition where when some endemic goes for a longer duration, people get used to live with this. Like in other parts of the world, here also people started using to live. I mean, they started used to live with this, so that is more common, and we are not worried much. I could see people in essential shops where they are normal, they are fine, they are not panicked. Even I could see some kids fetching their dogs, just walking around in the park with with the complete protection. That is also a fact. Only thing we miss here is the Christmas, the most happening Christmas and New Year in the London. I also miss my first Christmas and New Year in the London. But it's okay, we'll find something. We'll keep ourselves motivated. That is not gonna be an issue, I guess. And the second status is, I want to say what is this new strain. I don't want to go deep in, I don't want to go in depth about what is COVID-19. Everyone are familiar with this COVID, blah, blah, blah. I just want to say what is mutations. There are nearly 74 strains, and it should be more than 74 strains of the new COVID virus. This is a common phenomenon actually. The virus, the researchers said that there are 2 changes in each segments of the DNA at least a month, which indirectly brings about the production of more than 20 to 30 viruses, which eventually, if it is taken as a year, there should be at least 74 mutations or more. So this mutations is the small changes in their DNA, small modification, very small, even a minute modification in the DNA of in the RNA of the virus, do bring about the new strain or a new change in the virus. So that's more common. Sorry for this. Sorry, people are dragging around. Okay, one important thing out of the mutations is there is some virulent. I will not say it's a virulent. This particular strain is called supercharged COVID virus. That is called N501. Out of series of mutation, this particular COVID virus have the special strains that can bring about virulence and infectivity high in the COVID cases. Coming to the next grade. After the series of N501, now the current strain of mutation which we observe in England, which is the new strain, is B117. B117, they are not giving us any add-on symptoms. But the only thing what we have is the infection rate is a bit high. It is so true. I have my friends who have been infected here. They all are very fine. They are normal. It's more like a flu. Where we get the sore throat, body ache, loss of taste and smell, but none of them are hospitalized, and there is no need of any special treatment for them. So the good part of this virus is the infectivity rate is bit high, but there are no I think the virulence has been reduced, so nothing to worry, and we are not panicked. Coming to the vaccines. Are vaccines really going to help for this new COVID virus? As of now, researchers are saying that this vaccine would also fight against this particular RNA virus, this particular COVID virus. And I think in the history, this should be the first mRNA vaccine. mRNA vaccine is specially engineered just for this COVID virus. I don't think the other vaccines are mRNA. This should be this should be remarkable in the history that this is the first mRNA vaccine so far produced. We are not sure how it's going to help, but the researchers do give us hope that this particular vaccine can fight against the new strain also. If the virus is so smart and it can modify itself for the survival of fittest, of course our researchers do have the superior brains, so they also gave us a hope that if the particular vaccine do not fight against this strain, then as we all know, where the modifications have happened, where the mutation, in which particular site the mutation has happened. So eventually we can modify the strain, we can modify the vaccine accordingly, and can fight against even this new strain. So as of now, nothing. So nothing to worry, and we all are very safe, and we all are very good. I would like to say something. There is nothing to worry. We all are very happy here, just waiting for the Christmas. I don't know how we're gonna have a Christmas party, but still, virtually we're gonna have fun. So don't worry, all. Love you all. And I just found some time outside my residence just for the essentials and have a fresh air in this park. So good day. Thank you, and be safe all. Nothing to worry and nothing to panic. Love you all. This is Dr. Neela signing off. Bye.